Today is a very exciting day.
It's not true.
Oh. Sugar me timbers, we're back at it.
In our lovely outfits as usual.
Oh, it's nice and cold tonight. Need our jumpies. So we're going to rip up the rest of the subfloor, pull out the remaining tacks. We're going to grab the, what are they called? I can't remember. Things you use to hit a nail head in. Nail punches. We're going to use the nail punches and go through all the floors in the spaces and just punch any broken heads, broken nail heads or broken staple heads down, and probably clean up some paint off the windows and pull, once we've finished all the staples, we'll pull the stuff out of the bathroom so we can get ready for tiling on the weekend. And if we're really keen, we can clean some windows as well, but I don't know if we'll get that far tonight. So yeah, let's go.
What we do here is go back.
So low. So. How Emily starts every Sunday intro. Hey? Hey? Look what I've got. Coffee. See this? Coffee. Coffee. It's my coffee now. How to get pumped up on your Sunday. I don't even like coffee. Don't unsubscribe because of that.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, we had.
By this, I mean, yesterday was huge and we're still here.
Yeah, I think so.
Cheers.
Cheers. I think we're a little bit overtired today, but we had a very successful day yesterday. We got the bathroom completely tiled, which is amazing. Yeah. So first time tiling, and Dad and I had some mixed success with our tiling. We did some things right and some things not so right, but we got it done. So we did the whole bathroom surround. We started with the back wall, then worked our way to the right hand side of the tub and then to the left hand side. So there's 2 tiles left, which both need to be drilled out for the fixtures. So we need to cut holes for where the bar spout and the taps come out of the wall. So I'm going to have a crack at doing that today. And hopefully, we cracked probably about 5 or 6 tiles trying to drill the holes in the tile for the bathtub and the tapware. So hopefully have a bit more success doing that today. And Em went and bashed in a bunch of the nail heads yesterday, which was fun, with a mallet and a nail punch. And she got through most of the house, so we'll have to do a look over just to make sure we haven't missed nail heads, so when we sand the floors that it's nice and smooth. But yeah, she's just got the living room to go in terms of bashing in. You like me saying bashing in? Whacking, smashing, destroying, hammering. Yeah. PC. Hammering in the remaining nail heads that had broken off from the staples. Also missed out on fitting off the cistern, but we're going to try and get a few bits and pieces done this Sunday, and then we're going to call it a day and enjoy the rest of our weekend. Chill out and have some wine and cheese and relax. Yeah.
That's the plan.
Cool.
Let's go.